Welcome guys. In this video, we are going to talk the complete recruitment process of the company called TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services. Since this year, the Tata Consultancy Services has come variety of changes in their recruitment processes. They have changed the complete process for the recruitment of the students as well as the people for their company. So in this video, we are going to look the complete process, what exactly it would be, what are the criteria, who can apply and how to apply. So without wasting time, let's get proceed. A quick glance to the TCS company. As we know that the TCS is one of the most largest company in India in terms of developing a software. It was mainly developed in 1968. If we talk the net worth of the company by the 2020, it was about $23 billion. And the TCS is regarded as the second largest Indian company by the market capitalization. It produces the many softwares as well as it provides many services such as business process outsourcing, application development, enterprise software, etc. There are the many offices in the states of India like Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Goa, Mumbai, Pune, etc. If we talk to the overseas countries, it has the many offices in countries like Japan, Singapore, Thailand, etc. There are the many software companies in India we know such as Infosys, Wipro, etc. But the TCS is one of the largest private sector employers in India. It has more than 4,46,000 employees in the company. So in this video we are going to look the four main criteria, that is recruitment pattern, syllabus, salary and interview. So let's get started. Most of the time, the HR of the company visits the colleges just to inform or let you know about the student, about the company, like what the company is about, recruitment process and many other things. This is mainly called as pre-placement talk. This session mainly focuses on the things like the company information, salary to be given, growth and the opportunities after joining the company. At the end of session, students are given a chance for the personal questions regarding the company or the recruitment process. Before we proceed the placement criteria, let me take you one thing. All the things depends on your skills. You must be very good in communications, coding, leadership. Try to develop these qualities, it will help you surely. And if you want the complete video on these qualities, comment me below so that I can make a video on it. So, the first criteria or the first pattern for recruitment of the students is writing a test pattern. This section mainly contains the four sections such as quant, verbal, C programming MCQs as well as a coding. If we talk about the number of questions, aptitude mainly contains the 15 questions which will be given a 30 minutes of time. It will contain 11 to 12 of MCQs. English will contain the 15 questions of 10 minutes of time along with 15 MCQs. C programming MCQs will contain 10 questions with 20 minutes as well as the 7 MCQs. And talking about the coding and the programming, you will be given the one big questions which will take a 30 minutes of time to solve the program. So talking to the syllabus of these patterns, it mainly contains the quant topics such as probability, time and work, speed, time, distance, reasoning, etc. CMCQs topics such as loop, recursion, data type, file handling and many others. As well as these topics are very important for the GATE examination. So please make a note of that. Verbal topics like article, tense, adjective and preposition. Coding round will mainly contain one big problem such as pattern printing, matrix printing or series printing. For this purpose, you will be given a 30 minutes of time for solving this problem. Along with it, you can use any language in which you are familiar with. So there is no worries or no barrier for your programming language. You can go with any language for which you are familiar with. After the end of the writing the patterns or writing the aptitude examination, you will be proceeded for the interview purpose. The people who are selected in the interview will go through 3 more rounds, that is technical expert, HR expert and managerial expert. Technical expert mainly ask you the question regarding your subjects or the branch from which you belong, such as if you are from computer background, there will be some technical question regarding operating system, programming languages, database, computer algorithm, etc. After the end of technical expert, you will be proceeded for the HR expert. Here, you will be asked the questions such as mainly related to the work. For example, where do you see yourself after 10 to 15 years? Why do you want to join the company? How much salary do you accept? Etc. And finally comes the manageable expert. This will test your pressure handling skills. How do you handle the problem? How do you handle the pressures? And how do you get a best solution out of those pressure situations? Finally, at the end of the interview process, you have to wait for the 10 to 12 days of the selection purpose. You will receive a mail so that you can come to know whether you are selected or not. If the company has visited to your college, it will directly give you a letter of joining. The joining date will be between 3 to 6 months after receiving the offer letter. The salary package of TCS is in between 3.4 to 3.6 lakh per year depending upon the grade of your college. Hence it will become approximately 24,000 a month. The second criteria for getting selected in the company is TCS Digital or TCS Ninja. Before this year, these two were the two separate exams was regarded, but this year the TCS has decided that they are going to arrange only one exam for both the criteria, that is TCS Digital as well as the TCS Ninja. TCS Ninja hire takes place 2 to 3 times a year from any college of India. We know that there are tons of colleges in India and more than lakh of students study the engineering, so they can apply any time to this company when their exam are going to be held. So major chances that this year in 2020 and 2021 there will be only one exam, that is TCS Digital and Ninja position. Talking to the salary, TCS Digital mainly provides the salaries in between 6.5 to 7 lakh, as well as the TCS Ninja mainly provides a normal salary which is in between 3.5 lakh per year to 3.7 lakh per year. Talking to the exam pattern of those TCS Ninja and TCS Digital, it mainly contains the 4 sections such as aptitude, English, CMCQs and coding. If we talk to the syllabus of this pattern, it is similar to those which were discussed before earlier in the video. I hope you got a complete idea of recruitment process of TCS company. If you want to see the more of those companies, do comment below. I can make other videos of other companies of their recruitment processes as well as their criteria. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe as well as like the video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.